Let's make this beautiful scrunchie together. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step easy method on how to achieve this scrunchie. So stay tuned and watch carefully. So guys, you can make this to sell, or you can make one of these for yourself in different colors and in different sizes. So guys, firstly I've gone ahead to bring my fabric. This is a satin fabric and the length I'm using is 30 inches, as you can see. Now for the width is 4 inches. I hope you can see. The next thing I'll go ahead and do is to fold it into 2 equal parts, making sure the right side is facing the right side. I hope you understand what I mean, just like this. And now guys, I'm going to go ahead and stitch with about half an inch on this part that has the both ends of it. I hope you understand what I mean. Just watch carefully guys. And now I'll go ahead, I'm gonna head to stitch it. I hope you see what it looks like right now. Now I'll see the way I also went ahead to fold it. Please be watching carefully because these details are very important. Now you see the way I folded it like this. The part that is sewn like this is at the middle point at the back. I hope you understand. Now this point here that doesn't have a joining, I'm going to go ahead and fold it like this. I hope you see. Then I'll go ahead and fold these other parts like that. Now I'll go ahead and now start stitching. So guys, follow carefully the way I'm stitching this. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just stitching this point like this, stitching it like this. When I reach this point, I'll go ahead and drag those inner ones we folded. Remember the ones we folded? I'll go ahead and drag it out and continue stitching. So I'll keep on repeating the process. So watch carefully the way I'm doing it so that you can get it. So guys, if you have watched this tutorial to this point, do well to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to do that, and make sure you comment on this video whether you'll be trying this out or whether you found it helpful. Do well to leave a comment. So guys, you can see what I'm just repeating the process here, and you can see I'm almost done. So guys, take note, don't sew everything to the other point. Make sure you leave about 1 inch from the starting thread. I hope you see. You can see our starting thread. I left about 1 inch space because that 1 inch we are going to use it to just do what I just did. I dragged the inside one out, so I used it to pull it out. Now this hole here, we are going to be passing our elastic into it, and I've gone ahead to cut about 8 inches elastic length. So you can go ahead and just measure around your wrist to know the length you want, or you can just measure out 9 or 8 or 7 inches. It totally depends on you guys. I'm going to go ahead and pass the elastic through this casing. Now you can see the way I'm holding the other end of the elastic with my hand so that it won't enter when we are doing this. I hope you understand me. So guys, I'm just passing this through, and this is it. It has come out from this other point here. I'll go ahead and remove it from my safety pin, and I'll go ahead also and tie this point very tight. So this is the way I like tying mine so that it won't lose. Here, just see what I did. So you saw the way I tied mine. You can go ahead and tie yours like that. After doing that, the next thing I went ahead to do was to evenly distribute it, just the way you can see me doing. Now after doing that, I came over to this part that has the opening. I can go ahead and just use my sewing machine and stitch that point that is opened, or you can just go ahead and do an invisible stitch. So guys, that is all in the making of our scrunchie. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing tutorials like this. Bye.